What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at appgrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
You have tuned in to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 apps that will pay you $200 PayPal money. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And very, very soon, hopefully this week, 2 people is going to win some free money. So do yourself a favor right now. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really is going to help out my channel, and it's going to help out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on these 3 apps that I'm going to talk about today. Now, as I said before, I'm going to give away some free money to 2 people once I reach 4,000 subscribers. I'm almost there. I'm probably less than 100 away. So please do me a favor and share this video everywhere. And let's get to that 4,000 because you could be the lucky winner of this free money. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you these 3 apps. Let's grind and let's get it, grind family. All right, guys, I'm at this website. It's called Lucktastic. So I got 2 other apps I want to show you. So I'm going to go through this pretty fast. So just pay attention and stay with me. All right, so Lucktastic. So you're going to play, win, and redeem. So this is a sweepstakes type of app. And you're going to get a chance to win $1 million when you crack the code. And also, you're going to get a chance to win 5,000 guaranteed. It's going to be 3 finals, but 1 person is going to win the $1 million, but the other 2 are guaranteed $5,000. That's something else, guys. And also, you're going to enter Lucktastic's Living Life contest, and you can win up to $25,000 cash. Isn't that something else? And also, you have daily winners. So it's not going to be like every other week or something. You got people winning every day. And you can earn tokens as you play and redeem those for gift cards. So you're not just going to be empty-handed, guys. You're going to be able to get some tokens while you're entering these contests and make some money doing that. And just redeem those tokens and be able to get some gift cards. And of course, you can return them gift cards in to get some money, guys. So let me just go to the app right quick. Okay, I'm in the app, and let's just look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 3.9. I know everything that is 4.0 and up is very good, but if it's close to 4, it's still a pretty good app. Now let's look at a review. So this one person, T, says, seems kind of fun, a different way to pass the time that earns real money. So this person is happy because they are earning money just passing the time away. Okay, guys, if you want to learn more about this app and go ahead and get started, go to Lucktastic, and you can go to their website and you can come to the app right here, Lucktastic. Win real rewards with scratch tickets. Now let me go to the second app. Okay, I'm at the second app, and name of this app is Survey Junkie. Now with this app, it is, of course, it's a survey app, but don't fear, guys. It's a fun survey app, and you're going to make some good money doing this. So it says here, take fun and interesting surveys, earn points that can be easily redeemed, redeem your points for PayPal, gift cards, or cash, choose from popular e-cards like Amazon. All right, let's go ahead and just read a little bit more. Scroll down here and see what else they got to say here. Welcome to Survey Junkie, where incentives and influence meet to create a better tomorrow. Survey Junkie is an online community with over 11 million members. Wow, that's a lot of members. Dedicated to making your voice heard. So it's got a lot of members on here. And so let's just look at some of these questions right here. So how do I earn points? You must successfully complete surveys, profile questionnaires, or take other rewardable actions to earn points. Say, how do I redeem my points? You're going to redeem your points. Click My Points from the navigation bar drop-down menu, or click Current Points. So you'll find that out once you download the app and look in there, and you'll be able to cash using PayPal or gift cards or bank transfer. Now let's look at the rating. So the rating is 4.1 out of 5 stars, which is pretty good. And let's look at a review. So this person, let's look at this right quick here. So this person says one of the top 5 survey taken apps out there. Lots of interesting surveys to choose from on a daily basis. And let's see, low payout threshold. And also you get to choose your payment, like we said earlier. So this person is happy with this app and they're making some little money too. So guys, go ahead and download Survey Junkie. It's available on Google Play and iOS. Now let me go to the last app. Okay guys, I'm at the last app, and this is MyPoints Mobile. So let's scroll down here and read a little bit about this. So get MyPoints Mobile and earn free gift cards faster. Join the millions of members who have already earned over 300 million in gift cards. MyPoints Mobile enables you earn points for shopping online and taking fun surveys. So this is a survey type of app too, but you also be able to shop online and earn points. So you're going to earn towards free gift cards like shopping at top realtor sites, answering surveys, discovering in-store deals, and shopping local deals. Redeem your points anytime for $5 to $25 gift cards from Amazon, PayPal, Target, Walmart, Starbucks, and many more. So guys, you're going to earn up to $5 to $25, and you can trade that in, redeem that in for PayPal money, or if you want some gift cards. Now, the rating here is out of 5 stars, 4.3. And that's really good. That's really good. That's almost halfway to 5. So let's read one of the reviews here. Okay, so this one right here, Diane Perez, or Dion Perez, I don't know how she pronounce it, but so far so good. I'm earning points, but I haven't cashed out yet with my 1,400 points equal to nearly $10. I'm a member for about a week. So this person is making some money. They got a lot of points and they can get $10 if they want to, but they're going to just probably going to keep accumulating points and probably want to cash out when it's 20, 30, 40 or 50 or maybe in 100. All right, guys, so that's it on this app. So if you want to go ahead and check out this app and download and start making money, it's MyPoints Mobile on the Google Play Store. Now, using all three of these apps, guys, you can make up to $200 PayPal money using all three of these apps. So if you want to make that PayPal money, go ahead and download these apps today, guys. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get 50 likes. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about any of these apps that I've talked about. And don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 4,000 subscribers. Also, please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, grind family, appreciate you checking out my video. Now let's get to 4,000 and beyond. All right, guys, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Get your grind.